Welcome to MechcanickeyStuff.
Welcome to MechcanickeyStuff. Today's adventure is we're going to put some new discs and pads on Land Rover Discovery. That back plate a little dust off. Trip out it. Clean piece of rake. Nice and clean. No shit in there. No shit in there. There's it. Right. Should go straight on like that. Right. Let's get some brake cleaner because I've got shit on there. So, you need to keep this stuff as clean as you can. Obviously, I haven't. Nice clean piece of rag. What's this? Just grease. You'll see there's a flat on that. It is actually an oil seal. Make sure there's no rubbish on it, so you can see there's a flat inside it there. There's a flat on the axle end. Obviously carefully insert that back in, and then we have our nuts. Which we have marked at 10 7/8. And that's how I'm guessing it should be that was up here, wasn't it? Near enough. Catch on the threads. Yep. 6, 8, 9, 10. There, 7, 8. That's not bad, is it? I think it was actually quite loose, that. Don't think that's so bad. Let's give him then back him off. And wash you again. Good shite. I know you should replace these, but I ain't got a spare one. That's as it existing. So I go through tins and tins of brake cleaner. Cost me a bloody fortune. in. That's R5. What is my socket? Well, that's turning. Oh, there's a bar. I like these really tight. Because I don't let my wheels falling off. I bet we can't do it with that one, can we? No. That's the other way then, isn't it? That way. There's one. Now they see the inside one's bloody turning now, isn't it? Not happy about that. They don't have a might not be that bad actually, because that actually I've gone past where it was before, so if that's tight enough, because obviously you don't want to over tighten the wheel bearing, do you? I think we'll call that a drawer on that, to be honest, because if I do it any further, it's just nipping the nut behind it. I know why that is. Tell you what, why don't we do the job properly for a change? Let's whip that washer back off and we'll flatten that washer. As I say, we don't have a spare one. That's better. Better job, isn't it? Oh. Really? That shouldn't turn now, should it? Call him the Jesus nut. Right, so if we go onto the flat there, I'll just find a decent chisel to knock that over with. We're not going to use the same spot that was used before. Can't really see that, can you? But basically, we'll do that one there on top flats. Yeah. Well, the washer does. One knot, one turn. That'll do. Right. Let's just clean that face, because I'm just wondering if I've got the paper axle end oil seal washer in stock. I don't think I have. I should have a quick wee look. Yeah, I think they're all bloody water pumps. I've got some Series 1. No, I'll have to do it with sticky. I've got some Series 1 cork gasket. Will be a bad man. Put some hematite on it. Oh yeah. There's some silicone. That will do. And so I'm not a right lover of this. In situations like this, it's fine. It's not, you're not going to be blocking any oil galleries up or anything like that. And to be fair, the paper gaskets that's on this, they're absolutely shite. So they're like as thin as a fact paper. You're telling me this is machined that bloody closely? Because I don't believe it. Right. And it's only to stop the oil piddling out a little bit, isn't it? We will make sure it's absolutely covered, not excessive. Super. Get the hose out. A quick inspection of that, make sure it's clean, isn't it? And in, this is the fun bits, getting it back into the diff. Ba-boom! Where's the bloody? There we go. These are 65 Newtonic meters. We're going to put a little squirt of that on. one second. That was, yeah. Oh, shit, wow, man. So, when I get 2 minutes, I'll do a walk around video with this Land Rover. I'll just show you what excellent condition it's in. It's surprising. I mean, I've had Land Rovers for, you know, I'm little bloody remember, since I was in late teens. They've always been bloody rock boxes, you have to start with. Like, spend your life welding and this, that and the other. And at the moment, I've got a 1952 Series 1, which is literally as came out of the factory, plus 70 years of wear. 1988, 1989, 110, and that's not rotten because I've had that 30 odd years, 33 years, and I've wax oiled it and all that shit. I've got this. I've got an old P38 Range Rover. That's again looked after by me, so it's regularly wax oiled and washed and whatever. And we've got a 109 round the back that belongs to my son, which is in phenomenally good condition chassis wise. The bodywork's shit in it, but you know. So it's a Series 3, but what do you expect from a Series 3? They were shite. Come on, you git. Well, there's the right socket, isn't it, before I put the bloody... No, it's 15, it shouldn't be 15. What is it? Can't remember. That's your box. Oh, bloody socket. You have to bear with it, I don't know what I'm doing with it. I'm going mental. More mental than I normally am. It's 13, isn't it? What on earth have I done with that? Is it here? Bet you that's it. Right. Taking forever is this video. Just whack that back down to, what did I say, 65. Yep, go up. I think seems a lot for these little bolts. That's going to shear it off. Should it really upset Mr. Land Rover for him? Right, super. That there. Give that a little wipe round because it's silicone, isn't it? Right, caliper back on. So I'm assuming it's on with them, isn't it? Little bit of stuffy on them. And again, just put the socket down. Right. See if we can do this from fiddling from behind. You see what I mean about suspending it? You're not hanging it on the brake line or the brake pipes, anything like that. if we're gentle, we should be able to sneak it back in. Stick. Put a little squirt of jollop on that. I don't know if you're going to be able to see me do these, to be honest, because A, it's dark in this, and B, I've got to get right into the back there. And then fiddle it back until I find a ring. No, I don't think. So much easier if I could see what I was doing instead of fiddling around with it down. Don't normally do long videos because I think people get, well, I get bored, so I'm sure other people get bored. But sometimes it just works out this way, don't it? Squirt of jollop on that one. And the hell. There we go. Right. Oh, that's it. So it has actually gone my way. Believe it. These want to be stupidly tight. I don't know what the torque settings for them. I would say 5 white knuckles personally. And we'll just get the long nipper up of that. Do I have the torch? Just get these little crank up. Like I said, they want to be super tight because you don't want your bloody brake off dropping off the pavement. Super! Right, we'll leave it there because I'm going to find brake shoes. I found them. The nice ones as well. And they've got anti-squeaky thingies on back. So all those, these have all been just brushed out with a wire brush. You just sneak them in. And if you've got half a brain, use a new clip. Yeah, they're it makes life a little bit easier. If you've got them, that is, you know. Never remember which way around these goes. I think yeah, that way. No, that's it. Get it in. Let's see. And obviously a new split pin. There's probably a special tool for this, called the apprentice. I don't feel right. That's why they're doubled up. Bloody brick part, innit? Brick part, poop part. I'm thinking, better go, that's hard to push, huh? I don't feel right. Is it that way? Not 100% sure about them. No, they're the same as the old ones, aren't they? What are they? I just don't want to go in. That's all. Try it that way. There's a little tit on the brake shoe. Because these are shitey brick parts, aren't they? But they don't bastard fit in it. I'm going to force it in that way. I've never had any much luck with brick part stuff, to be honest. Other people love it. I've run Land Rovers for a very long time. 9 times out of 10 you're better off using genuine Land Rover stuff if you can. It's not that much more expensive. 9 times out, well, 9 times out of 10. Sometimes you have trouble with that, getting this sod. That will not go in, will it? Straight to the way. I don't think the form's just 100% those. Cannot bash it in, can you? But yeah, a little bit of manipulation. It should go in by hand. So that bugger's not going in, is it? There you go. We'll open those ends up. Just to stop the pins coming out. A little whack. That's one. That's the other. That's lovely. Right, that's it. Basically, rinse and repeat. Do exactly the same on the other side. Struggle like buggery and swear. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Press the bell icon. Because we've loads of other videos that are coming out on stuff. It's not all about Fiona. I'm all constantly mending my car, my wife's car, my daughter's car, and, you know, helping me mates out and stuff like that. Alright, cheers, bye bye.